And again, this is our state tree, a western hemlock cone.
It is blending in with the ground. Found this one just weeding. So here we have a little long-toed salamander. I don't know if you can see it. He's kind of burrowed down here in the dirt. I don't want to touch him with my fingers because he or she is an amphibian and they absorb a lot through their skin. So I'm gonna try and pick him up with some dirt underneath so you can get a good look. These guys spend a lot of time underground. They're actually called mole salamanders because they spend a lot of time underground. And a couple interesting little facts about these buddies is that they lay their eggs in the water, and they can lay single eggs by themselves and sometimes big bunches of eggs. And those little babies grow up in the water and breathe underwater with gills. And then at a certain point, they shed those gills and crawl out of the water and join the other adult salamanders burrowing in the dirt or under logs. And sometimes in the wintertime, depending on how cold it is where they live, they will hibernate, and they actually live off of the protein that they store in their long, beautiful tails. One of the ways that you can tell that this is the long-toed salamander is if you look at its toes. They're very long toes. But another way is by this long yellow stripe that's on their back. Sometimes it can look a little greenish. But this is a really good time of year to find these little buddies hiding under logs and in the dirt. Found this one just weeding because they hide in rodent burrows a lot of the time. And they eat things like worms and slugs and small insects. And they're just fun little guys. They're pretty slow and shy. But yeah, there you go. Yes, I'm gonna put it back down here in the dirt. I'm gonna be careful not to touch it with my fingers. Ooh, there it is crawling. And I'm gonna carefully just cover it back up with this dirt, and I'm gonna be really gentle and make sure not to crush it. Put some nice, airy, soft dirt over the top of our friend here. And I'm gonna leave it there to enjoy its time while it's looking for food and getting ready to lay some eggs in the springtime.